What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are playing at Infinitee Tree. So I was my friend David was at my house. Oh, so we got 1 km. So that's why I made mine. It's still early, but just late, like a tiny bit later than late. Like a tiny bit earlier than late. And a bit later from normal. So we have that. Yes. So I'll just do something real quick off camera. So yeah, I just speak something. Speaking about to my mum that to tell my brother that to be quiet. That's all. I forgot what we're really saving up for. Oh, 46 km, that's good. So we got 3 to buy. Lots. How about the nozzle? Nah. So yeah. I don't know what to do. Why is the music so peaceful? It's too peaceful. No, I will never give you apples. So I basically have 6 minutes left. Well, exactly 6 minutes left. Just going to close the door, my house door real quick. My window was open, the cars were loud, but the door was already closed. So low to me. Low. LOL. 5 minutes left. We might be able to make it through the 46 km. Oh, that is a lot of money, but not a lot of money compared to, you know, my money. I really hate you, red gun. That is 20,000 grapes. So when my oh, nice. Wait, it's a new bird. Nice. Let's go. $10,000. 15,000. Can't afford. Can't afford. Dumb. Oh, I can still afford. Then yeah. So just buy the fire plug. 5,000 watermelons, 50,000 lemons. I would say that's easier, but we don't have a bunch of. We only started getting watermelons because we have 2 and we just have 2 watermelons. That's the problem. So yeah, and we just need 10 times the lemons that we have right now. Mm, 46 p.m. We are close. That is the thing, which is good. The timer keeps going off because I put timers on different gadgets. So it's on my mum's phone right now. My mum's phone always turns off. The iPad doesn't really turn off, but it doesn't turn off the timer. It only turns off if I don't see it turn off. Like, if you know, when you got like a phone, it turns darker. It becomes even darker on the screen, and if you tap it, that means it will reset, trying to turn off. 6,000. Nice vibranium. I really want the power amplifier. I might grind off camera. I might grind when I'm not recording. So yeah, guys. But guys, I will. So what will we do? Oh yeah. We discovered the blackbird. So guys, I will wrap it up for this video. Remember guys, like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any video. I make a video every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and 2 videos on Sunday. Comment and share. Please share because I need more subscribers. I got TikTok called Redfirebro. I make a TikTok every Sunday. If I don't make TikTok, I don't know what to make. And also, please follow and like my TikTok. I just post pictures because I don't want to show my face just yet. But I'll probably show my face when I'm like 10 or 11. Because I'm just 8 right now. And guys, we are so close to 50 subscribers. 10 more subs. 10 more subscribers to get 50. Guys, and I love you. Bye. I love you. Peace out.